Am I audible? My name is Anant Pandit and I am a development officer. ये सारा पता ही है. So I'll be speaking in Hindi and English. Right? Hindi? English? Okay, great. Fine. Whatever. Great. Okay, so my topic is about you connecting to yourself and you connecting to the source that created you. So you could have your holistic development. Is it necessary? आपको लगता है हिंदी में भी चाहिए थोड़ा सा? Because आप मुझे कुछ चेहरे, हाँ, I could see some faces कि मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, थोड़ा सा शायद हिंदी में भी चाहिए. Yeah. Okay. I like English. Absolutely good. So English. अच्छा, you might have seen the pictures ना? Movie आप लोगों ने? So there is एक villain होता है. हाँ, इतना तो आपको समझ में आएगा. So there is a villain. और वो विलन कहीं पे प्लान करके वो हीरो को बुलाता है कोई शिप पे और वहां पे एंड देन हीरो सेज कि तुझे लगता है कि तूने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है. नहीं, एक्चुअली ये सब मेरा प्लान था. तो मैंने तुझे बुलाया इधर. आपको पता है आप लोग इधर आए नहीं हो, आपको लाया गया है. आपको लाया गया है. और किस लिए लाया गया है? किस लिए लाया गया है? हाँ? Yeah, because there is a leader in you. आप में का जो लीडर है उस लीडर को बाहर निकालने के लिए आपको यहां लाया गया है. आपको चुना है और जो लोग इधर होना चाहिए थे वो परफेक्टली लोग हैं. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट ग्रुप. और जो लोग नहीं आए वो नहीं आने वाले थे. रीजन माइट बी वॉट एवर, कुछ भी रीजन. So you are here not by chance but for a purpose. You are here with a purpose. This gathering is happening with a purpose. Like sir traveled by here himself. Yeah. So it is like designated that you are going to be here. आपको इधर होना ही था. Yeah. So 2019 I took voluntary retirement, and before that I was leading some programs for Landmark worldwide. So Landmark, and that was just like a honorary, so I was not getting any payment out of that, but I led so many. I got so much of experience. I led to, there was my participant who was an industry and he is supplying gauges to NASA. So one of my participants, he is a director of Hedgewar Hospital in Aurangabad. So from 18 years to 80 years, I led to so many people. And this was all about leadership program. So I worked for 14 years in creating leaders. It is absolutely, the way you said, sir, leader is not who is a leader and there are followers. Leader is who create leaders. So there is a Chinese saying, leader is someone who go to people, be with them, learn from them, and when work is done, people will say we did that. हम लोगों ने किया. So he is there as a catalyst. उनमें का leader बाहर निकल रहा है वो. Yeah. So this session is all about you getting connected to yourself, you getting connected to the source. Because what happened ना, हमने अपना जो connection है with that source, we lost that connection. And that is why there is so much of anxiety and all the things. After COVID, now mental health become a major issue. Yeah. How many of you are taking tablets for sugar or BP? Please raise your hand. Yeah. Yeah, something else or किसी or anything else. Yeah. और दूसरे किसी के लिए कोई दवाइयाँ ले रहा है?
वो टैबलेट नहीं लेता है सब।
हाँ। Yeah. अच्छा, you know that दवाइयाँ आपको ठीक करती है? Whether the medicine cures you? No. Then who cures you?
Mental mind.
No, actually, there is a power inside you. There is a power inside you. That power cures you. Medicine only supports. So, where is power? Power is within me. Within me. Yeah? But actually, we are dependent on that tablet. Right? And these tablets and this all medicine, and if you look at the whole thing, like how much BP should be? 120/80. Is it true for everyone?
Depends on each.
But we think now 130 बन गया तो problem है. If 110 becomes 100 बन गया, no, it is not like that, na. So our Ayurveda was something like we used to give customized medicines, na, for everyone. But now we lost that. Okay. So this is the whole thing is all about you getting connected to yourself. 2019, I took voluntary retirement and I thought whatever I learned in landmark education, I'll go to people and help them to enhance their performance. But within 6 months, I got something different. And it was a Heal Your Life. And when I actually got teacher of Heal Your Life, I said, this is everything is our culture. This is our culture. Then I did coaching. Then there's something like another level, and now another level. So I went to different levels of trainings into that, and I spent almost 25 to 30 lakhs into that after my retirement. So what is special about me is like creating leaders, and if you are somewhere stuck, I could take you out from there. So I want to tell you something about my story. My father was teacher, and he was a very dedicated. So he used to get transferred every year. So my schooling happened for 7-8 schools, and then ultimately we settled at somewhere as Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar or Aurangabad, and then I was there. So that time I want to become a doctor. Okay, and those time this centralized admission system was not there. So I filled the form. Actually, it's not me. My father filled the form, and then we found that it was just 2 marks less for the admission. So I didn't get admission into medicine. Then I went for BSc. I did physics, maths.
PCM.
Yeah. No, not PCM. It is physics, electronics, and maths. So physics was my favorite subject. Yeah, it was so favorite. Like then I was going for MSc into physics. So I thought about now I'll do the research in physics. My father, who was teacher, he got promoted and then he became a block education officer. He was at Sillod and he filled my form into that employment exchange. And from employment exchange, we got a call that there is a vacancy in LIC. There's those temporary, yeah? And it was holiday. So my father took me to his friend, and then I joined there as a temporary assistant for 85 days. And then I met someone there. Mr. Marg was my branch manager then, and Gopal Joshi, he was WO. And I met them, and I fall in love with this organization. And I felt like, yahi kuch karna hai. Because Gopal Joshi, these are people, I got really inspired by those people. Ashalata Karalgekar, she was my GA. And then I joined LIC. Then some exam came and I joined as an assistant. And after I joined as an assistant in February 2019, and in 1st October 90, I went for development officer. Even I was not confirmed. I was confirmed, but it was like 3 years lean, na? 3 साल होता है. अगर आप 3 साल करो तो फिर बाद में वापस आ सकते हैं. For me it was like कि if I got failed then बाहर ही जाना है. But I went for development officer. अच्छा, उसके पहले वाली बात बताना है. I was someone who was an introvert guy. I used to have 2-3 friends जिनके साथ मैं कुछ बात करूं. I used to read lot of books. Father was teacher, so books आती थी. So 2-3 फ्रेंड थे जो जिनके साथ मैं बात करता था. हाँ, I used to do debating, I used to do drama, all the things. But 1-to-1, that was not my cup of tea. If I sit with someone for hours, I could just ask, what is your name? What do you do? And then I used to feel, what should be the third question? So that was me who went for development officer. Yeah? And then I got posted to Latur, then from there I came in just 1 month to Aurangabad, and 29 years I was successful there. I was just into first 2 or 3 people in my branch. And then somewhere 2004, it says like, okay, now they are going to abolish the development officers cadre. The whole IB structure was changed, and it was like me, I have completed my MSc. And now I'm with BSc, I forgot what was there in physics and all the things. So I don't know anything now, what should I do? And 2004, I was like, I don't know. So completely panic. And then landmark education come in my life. And when I was actually working for that, this is a global organization. And when I start working, I felt like, हाँ, this is the field, training and ये वाला सारा जो field है, इसको demand भी है. तो यहाँ करूँगा तो कुछ नहीं होगा, तो then effect LIC निकल देगी, तो बाहर जाके कुछ तो करेंगे. 14 years, I was there in Aurangabad, and Aurangabad was that outside, like landmark program used to happen in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi. So I was the first leader outside Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. I stood there, and then from 100 people, it was now thousands of people who are doing those programs. When I stood there, and then leaders appeared around me. And so I was thinking about, okay, now me working with 50 agents, I felt like, no, I want to do something more. I want to do something more. I want to make difference into more people's lives. What should I do? I was thinking about, I should go out and do something. At the same time, I was thinking कि then some of my friends, they said कि कुछ अच्छा कर and then go out. So I thought कि चलो SBA one day. And 3 years I was trying, I was supporting people, I was making other people successful in their businesses, but I was not able to do that, become SBA. And then one day I thought like, why this is happening? Then I thought, no, universe is telling me, you don't want to go this line. Why are you doing this? So do whatever you want to do. And at the age of 50, I took decision that I'm going to take VRS. When I did this program, then I felt like that life was taking me, holding my hand, and it was showing me so different things. The guy who wanted to become doctor, he brought to somewhere physics, then he wanted to become research, then I went into marketing. I never thought about, and from there, suddenly, at the age of 50, I took voluntary retirement. My daughter was in 10th. My son now he is in 8th. So it was not like, okay, everything is settled and now I am going out. And before that, 2013, my wife, who was teacher, who took voluntary retirement. So me and my wife now both are pensioners. Okay, now people think like how this happens. But one thing now what I can say is actually this was the whole guided journey by the universe. Like there is a great saint in Marathi, Jagadguru Tukaram. So he used to say, "Jethe jato tethe tu माझा सांगाती, चालविसी हाती धरून या." So wherever I go, you came with me and you are holding my hand. And after doing this all thing, I could say exactly, yes, that happens. Like we are taking some child, so many a time that child want to go somewhere here and there, something attracts and it goes there. And then again we pulls him back and take him to the where he want to go. So now that is the way actually life was doing with me. And it is not only with me, it is with everybody, it is with every one of you. But we don't know that. Because we have lost that connection. But that source, you call that God or whatever, Maharaj and something, but that is connected to you. And it is connected 24/7. Now what is more important is we really reconnecting to that source. And if you get really reconnected to that source, then you will come to know that the whole power is within you. Now we'll be doing some exercise. I'll be taking you from some meditations also. I'm going to ask you to write down something. If time permits, we'll do some kind of exercise about the forgiveness also. So, but what is the most important thing? That I want you to know that there is a power within you, and that power is connected to the source. And the source is connected to everybody. So actually we all are connected. We don't know that. We all are connected. Why we lost that? Because now we are not aware about that. But many a times, अभी यहाँ बोलते हैं ना डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर, तो I felt nice. अरे हाँ, this is from my. लेकिन if you go outside and then we say LICM, then we feel direct connection. When we go abroad and we feel like Indian, then there is a connection. Might be we'll go somewhere beyond the earth and then we'll see somewhere and this, we are from the earth. Actually, we all are connected and we lost that. Everybody is connected. So the life after 2019 was completely different from me, and life before 2019 was completely different from me. So you are chosen. You, me, and everybody born with a purpose. We all are born with a purpose. The only thing we don't know that. We are just going here and there and all the thing. Like me doing everything, not becoming doctor, but then I could see there are maybe more than 500 or more doctors I supported. I could not complete my MSc, but actually I coached to a person who was in Bhabha Bhave Atomic Research Center, and she's amazing into spirituality. She's a guide, physics guide. So everything is science, spirituality, everything is there, and I could do this for 6 months. And why I could do that? Because now I felt it is not me. Now this is the body, and whoever is talking to you, you think this is me, Anand Pandit, but actually I am here just as a medium. And I am here to answer something that is in your mind, or something that is going to help you to actually continue your journey. And that's why I'm here. He also brought me, like, मुझे भी लाया गया है. He brought me because something as a medium need to be here. So actually we really connecting to ourselves, to our spirituality. We all Indians are spiritual. Right? Is there anyone who don't believe in God or something like? Yeah? Is there anyone? You follow something, na? आपका कोई ना कोई तो श्रद्धा स्थान है. But actually वो श्रद्धा स्थान, many times what do you think? कि हाँ इतनी छोटी बात उसको क्यों बतानी है? Why to say this small thing? Let me handle this. No, he is there with you, and whatever is happening, he wants you to experience. Many times he is guiding you. Yeah? So I am here. So first thing, you are chosen for the leadership. Now your job is to say yes to whatever is happening. If you say yes, then he will be like, if you say no, I don't think. Now those people who think like, okay, what happened? Something from the Nashik. And they are not the bad people. But somewhere, at some point, something happened. And why this happens, that also I'll tell you. Because my whole thing is about the psychology also. What happens? Some doubt came. Something happens. Okay, maybe this is not possible for me. Now that doubt came. Now that thought came. It's not that when that thought came, and then there are a series of thoughts. And then the same emotions are there, and then we are taking action. Okay, नहीं मेरे लिए possible नहीं है. But then Sir made it possible to fly because he want to go, and there is something inside him that was actually telling him, "Nee, you have to go." If you start listening to that, you will be amazed by like how this life works. And then you will see, you will find out, it is guiding you towards your purpose. I have seen Javalkar sir from when I began, right? As he was there into the 1990. So he should be here. He should be doing this only because he's born for that. Joshi is born for that. They can't do anything else. They can't sit at home. Now this guy who took VRS 7 years before, and then what he is doing? Then he is getting some money. Now he is working without money. But that is his passion. Sir, I want to tell you something. Whatever you said here, and like the way the BMS rise, even this way it should happen. Even this was something like, that is the way universe work. वो सारी बातें होना थी, इसीलिए ये सारा होता गया. Now you told about some Mr. Gupta, Bhupesh Gupta. No, he is a Hindu, right? Now this is all about like Kauravas and Pandavas. Now Bhishma was in the side of Kaurava, right? So it is all about There might be some people who will be with Kaurava, there might be some people who will be with Pandavas. Now it is all about you honoring your dharma. And you honoring your dharma is going to give you satisfaction, fulfillment, joy and peace. Are you getting what I am saying? Yeah? Because this is what I really got. My life, like, I'm amazed by, like, I was not knowing this before 2019. I was experiencing. But I was not aware. I was not aware the way I am right now. And I want you to get aware about that. I want you to get aware about your power. And you just need to say yes to whatever is there. That there is some calling comes and then you, when you are saying yes, actually this happens. Now this session is also going in a way, it is not going way the way I planned. It is going the way universe want it should go. Because there are so many topics you want to cover, but you didn't get that time. Yeah? So, one thing I have to tell you, there is a leader in C2, and that leader participated in my course during COVID, and at the somewhere in the 7th, 8th day, he said, I was believing something else.
Shifted.
He completely shifted, and there was so much of turmoil between him. And actually, there are some guys who brought him to me. He said, "नहीं, sir के साथ में बात नहीं करना है because he's a great leader. So you don't go there." And he said, "Fine." And then he got COVID. He got admitted. He was getting out of that, but then some ulcer or something happened, and he lost his life. But then his son came to me कि पापा ने ये सब लिखा था.
After your training.
Yeah. And then his son, who actually become again a leader into that, now when he is going and dealing with the organization, he is actually doing the way it is like, as you said, कि if there is a company, then the workers will be there, and the whole their agreement just happen in single meetings. Because he is not operating that way. He is operating, that his son is operating in a completely this way, like what we responsive cooperation. Exactly responsive cooperation. And now I said to you, okay, come and we'll do something else. Now, why you are just being there? Because you know, you are not fitting into that ideology. So actually, he is being there, and he came to me, he met me, and now the whole thing is shifting. And when he is shifting, then definitely some people under him, that will also shift. And as you said, like omnipresence and omnipotent. So, now this is happening slowly. Because people want it. Now universe want it. We have Shivaji Maharaj here, and he used to say, "He Rajya Bhave, he Srinchi Ichha." So this is his wish, and we are fulfilling that. And it is not like that we can't do anything. Yeah, we could do so many things, but actually, if we are doing in alignment with that, then we'll be peaceful. And if you are not doing in alignment with that, then we are just struggling, then there are so many issues and all the things. Now whoever is taking your pills and all the things, there are so many people in my programs who came and now they are saying they are not taking pills, not because I said no, because their doctor said they don't need it. And I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. They themselves work on themselves. They themselves put that baggage off. They themselves made themselves clear. So now it is all about you actually living your life fully, enjoying your life fully. आप अपनी जिंदगी का हर एक क्षण जी रहे हो, और जी रहे हो इसीलिए क्योंकि आपको अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना है. यू वांट टू एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ. यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग, यू आर एंजॉयिंग. इट इज नॉट कि मैं जी रहा हूं क्योंकि मैं मरा नहीं हूं रात में. Many a time this happens, huh? Okay? Yeah. So, any questions you want to ask or anything you want to say about whatever I said to you now?
What did you guide them? That's not right.
Yeah. So just now I want to take a piece of paper. There are some pads are given to you, na? So take a piece of paper and write down 5 good things about you. Write down 5 good things about you. Write down now. Please, everybody. Write down 5 good things about you. आप अपने बारे में 5 अच्छी बातें लिखना है.
I have to write my own CR.
हाँ. Yeah. Write down 5 good things about you.
मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि आप कैसा लिख रहे हैं.
Now 5 bad things about you. 5 अच्छी बातें, 5 बुरी बातें.
वो कैसे मालूम कि हमारी पूरी बात है?
आपको जो लगती है.
वो अच्छी लगती है वो बुरी.
Whatever you think, okay, this is. हेलो, मुझे पूछिए, आप आपस में बात करके, आपको पता नहीं है क्या करना है. हाँ, घर वाले तो बता देंगे, फिर 50 आ जाएंगे. ओके. अच्छा, किसने 3 लिखा है? एटलीस्ट 3 हो गई कुछ. हाउ मेनी पीपल फाइंड इजी टू राइट गुड थिंग्स? रेज योर हैंड. Okay, good. How many people find difficult to write good things? Yeah. Difficult, no? Yeah.
I also.
You also? Difficult? And how many of you who find difficult writing good things, you feel easy to write bad things? You feel easy to write bad things about you? Now, do you know?
Both 5 qualities.
Both 5 qualities.
It's easy.
Yeah.
We know our weakness.
Write down your good things.
Happy.
Happy.
Yeah. But I felt that when I wrote about my bad qualities, I felt that I should give up this, but I'm not able.
Yeah. So then contact me. Okay. Okay. So when you write good things, you feel good, right? So everybody have 3 good things,
Yes.
right? 3 है ना? Okay. अभी आपको क्या करना है? वो बाकी सब रख दो. हाँ? And now stand up and meet someone. उसे जाकर बोलना है कि this is good in me. Now listen from him. Just meet that. And then second person and third person. 3 लोगों को आपकी अच्छी बातें बताना है और 3 लोगों की अच्छी बातें सुनना है. हेलो, 3 लोगों को अच्छी बातें बताना है और 3 लोगों को उनकी अच्छी बातें सुनना है. बस 3 ही लोगों को. ओके? हाँ. No, हाँ. So you will talk to him. Then might be him, and it might be him. Three people. Yes, please come on. Get up. Come on. अरे भाई आपको खड़ा होना है. हाँ सर ने बोला था बैठे रहो 2 साल के लिए. But no, just get up, everybody, please. Take me. Yeah. That's why I said, okay. Now listen, please. You have written 3 good things about you. Yeah. So now I will go to Shankar Singh and say, see, I love reading. Now this is good about me. So I said one good thing to him. Then I will go to Ashok sir and say, sir, I am very committed person. I love to contribute. Now this is the second. Then I go here and I say, sir, in any critical situation, I could stand firmly. So I said 3 things. So that is what you have to do. Or then you will be telling me one thing. Fine? Is it clear?
Praveen, start. I'm going to
Give. Is it clear or not? Yeah, so please.
Yes, start. I'm a good listener.
Come on. आइए. Yes, get up. अरे आपको उठना है. So any 3 people. Come on. हेलो आपको बोला गया है कि आप यहाँ पे योर इन स्टडी कैंप. आपको जो भी बोला है वो करना है. प्लीज गेट अप एवरीबॉडी. प्लीज कम ऑन. अरे आप 3 लोगों को जरूरत हो रहा है ना. तो उसको बताइए जो 3 बाहर आके बता रहे हैं. इसे फाइंड आउट समथिंग. एक ऐसे 3 लोग करना. आपका 3 लोगों से बात करना होगा तो अपनी जगह पे जाकर बैठे. कुछ लिखा है. What are written? Awareness. Now this exercise ये करने से कुछ awareness हुआ है? What is awareness? Please बताइए.
From lazy.
नहीं, one by one. Is it working?
Yes.
कल क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes.
Awareness meaning is most of them are all aged. We are all above 60.
Just wait, sir.
We are all aged above 60.
Huh.
And most of us are all in sleeping mode. We don't have the habit to sit and listen. And especially development officers, we keep on moving in the field. For us to sit 2 days in the class, it is most difficult. So he is giving good rest and good food and all. We feel like going to sleep. So you have made us aware not to sleep. Be active in the class.
Okay,
So
good.
that's a good exercise.
That is the.
Yes.
Okay, great. Who else? So see, something happened and she got aware about something. Now everybody is got aware about many different things. Yes, please.
अवेयरनेस से हमें ये सीखने को तो मिला ही, लेकिन हमारी दिल की बात दूसरे को कहने के लिए हमके थोड़ा सा ये हुआ शेयर करने.
Yes.
दिल की बात शेयर कर सके हम दूसरे को और दूसरी की बात हम समझ सके.
Absolutely, very good.
इंटरेक्शन हुआ.
Yeah. Please.
जनरली हम दूसरों को जज करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं. इस बार ऐसा हुआ कि हम खुद को जज करने लगे.
Wonderful, great.
Sir, actually, we know certain habits or whatever attitude is bad, we find with others. We ourselves is having all those things.
My God, this is amazing.
Yes, sir. That's what I want to.
Whatever you said, I'm not sure like how many people got this, but this is an amazing thing. Just. Hey, what she said? What you said? Please, आप ही बताइए. Just please keep quiet.
Certain behavior, attitude, or whatever the bad habits we feel others are having, we are having the same thing. But we hate that we are not going to separate whatever we want. We can change ourselves, but we are not doing that.
Yeah? Okay. Yes, please.
सर इसमें से एक चीज़ जरूर अवेयरनेस के तौर पे सीखने को मिली या बोलने को होता है कि आज के दिन में हमने खुद में झांकने की कोशिश की.
आज के दिन में हमने खुद में झांकने की कोशिश की. ग्रेट.
I came to know that my two friends are very helpful, so that I can now ask for money or any help.
इसमें से अभी मैं मार्केटिंग का स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो इसमें हमने खुद का स्वॉट एनालिसिस किया और अगेंस्ट हमारे जो कलीग्स है जिनसे हमने डिस्कशन किया उनका भी स्वॉट एनालिसिस हमने कंपेयर किया और खुद को पाया कि हम में क्या कमी है और उन्होंने क्या कमी है.
Oh, yes. Anybody else? No?